Alright, so this is the video that it says it is, I promise. But first. Alright, much better. So, as you guys read, we've got this today. It's been a very long time that I waited for this particular watch for many reasons. Number one, I found it too expensive, and number two, there wasn't much of a change in every yearly update that Apple brought out. That's the reason I waited on it, and I picked it up when I thought the time was right. Let's get straight into the unboxing, and I'll talk to you after that. Alright, so let's get straight into the unboxing. As we see, it's got the Apple Watch, the logo and the text on the front. The box is a little messed up because of storage reasons and stuff like that, so I'm not really concerned about that as long as the piece is legit and no other issues at all. So here we've got Series 7 silver stainless steel case with the Starlight Sport Band. And let's just go ahead, and as I said, the box is a little messed up, so let's not bother about that. Let's just go ahead and unwrap the goodness. Now the variant I've got here, as you guys must have figured, is the silver stainless steel. So it's got that nice silver stainless steel embossment on the front packaging. At the back we've got the pull tabs, the seals for the watch. We'll place that at the side for now. And the only other thing we get in this beautiful colorful packaging from Apple is the Starlight Sport Band. I didn't really have many options because I bought this from a third-party retailer, so that's that. We've got Apple Watch written, Sport Band, stainless steel pin, yada yada yada. Again, the seal on this side as well. We put this to a side, move this out of our way for now. I do not plan to use this sport band, so I'm going to leave it intact for now. I do not wish to open it. I have another white band which I will probably be using, so yeah, this is not really going to cut it for me. So now let's get straight to the goodness. The goodness. I am so excited. I have waited a long time for this. And yeah, hopefully this does everything I needed to. So let's just go ahead first time, and we rip the seal apart. That's one, and two. This is so satisfying. Alright, I don't know if you guys are ready, but I'm certainly not ready for this. So let's do this first time. This is so neat. Designed by Apple in California, and the beauty out here. Let's just open this up here. As you guys see, the booklets, not much in there, is the Apple Watch. I don't know if you do get stickers in this, but yeah, I'm not really concerned with it. So yeah, basic paperwork. Let's just put that aside. We have the fast charger with the USB Type-C. We'll be opening that up in a bit. That goes at the side as well. And oh my god, let's not mess this up. Do we see the shiny? So this is the very reason I went for the silver stainless steel. This beautiful, and it's really slippery. I don't want to sort of activate it before pulling it out of the case. A lot of times that happens, but yeah, as you guys see, we've got 45mm here. Put that aside, and that is the device. Comparing it with my current Oppo watch, if you guys see, it's roughly the same size but a tad bit smaller, I would say. We've got the red symbol, which is basically for GPS. Beautiful stainless steel, absolutely gorgeous. The power button and the back of the watch, as you guys can see it. It says Series 7 Apple Watch. Really premium, precisely what you expect at this price. And more about why I went for the Series 7 when the Series 8 is already out. Let's just say I didn't really see a lot of value in the Series 8. But yeah, as you guys see, beautiful watch, beautiful finish there. I'm gonna do a few things before I activate it, so I'm not putting it on right now. We're just gonna place this at the side for now. I do have a third-party band which I bought, which is the leather link, and that goes perfectly well with this watch, in my opinion. Very classy for occasions and stuff like that. Let's just throw the band on and see what it looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. I've got it in grey. I wanted the tan color, the yellow tan, but unfortunately we sort of couldn't get that for now, so I'm just gonna use this, the typical Apple slotting. Alright, so we slotted the top bit in. We can go for the bottom a little bit. And that's in place. That's the beautiful leather link. I know you guys are waiting for me to power it up, but we'll do that in just a second. I will also throw a scratch guard on before I use it, because just Indian things. But yeah, I really like the feel of this. I am gonna go ahead and take off the Oppo, which has served me really well for a while now. Here we can have the Series 7 for the first time going on my wrist, and my god, does that feel premium. Does that feel premium. Alright fam, so we are back with the trusty old 10S. Let me just unlock it. Alright, there we go. Let's power on the watch and set it up, see what comes up maybe. Loving the stainless steel on both the devices. Okay, there we go. We've got the pop-up of the Apple Watch. Continue. Allow. Set up for myself. And this beautiful little galaxy kind of screen. Galaxy. Alright, paired. Set up Apple Watch. Oh my god, look at that. Is that beautiful? That is gorgeous. I'm gonna put this aside, let you all see. 45mm stainless steel case, designed by Apple in California. Am I drooling? Am I drooling? Alright, we go ahead and agree with the terms and conditions. Signing into your account. This may take a few minutes because Apple takes too long with everything, but okay. So I have ordered a few more third-party bands, a few leather bands, because that's gonna go the best with this watch, and I can't wait to power it on and sort of get things going with this. Alright, enable route tracking because we've got the Series 8 features. Watch analytics, share with Apple. Alright, go for it. I ain't doing any shady shit on my watch, so yeah. Alright, text size, it asked me text size, let's see. I prefer the smallest text size, to be honest, so I think I'm gonna go with either the smallest or somewhere in between don't add passcode, don't use passcode, no shady shit with the watch. And yes, activity, this is exactly what I bought the Apple Watch for. May the six pack come back. Alright, setup activity. Alright, let's do this later because it's gonna ask me for all the details. So we'll do this later in the app. Blood oxygen enable. Keep your Apple Watch up to date. Continue, yes. Heart rate notifications, yes please. Emergency SOS, continue. Alright, always on display, of course, because what else do you buy a Series 7 for? Install available apps. What does it say? Some of your apps on your iPhone will work with the Apple Watch. Choose later. I prefer doing that. Grid view for sure. And there we go. Apple Watch is syncing. This I believe does take a bit, so I'm gonna let it sit there and do that. You guys can enjoy the watch till then. How sleek is that stainless steel? My only worry with the stainless steel is it's going to get scratched up real fast, but then there are ways to revive it. I have already done my research, me being the OCD tech nerd that I am. And we've got the watch set up. Okay, welcome to the Apple Watch. And we've got the beautiful Meridian watch face. This is one of my favorite faces that I use. Let's begin to breeze through it a little bit. Alright. There are a few watch faces that I definitely want to add. Me being me, I'm gonna go with the white watch face on the Meridian. Looks absolutely gorgeous in my opinion. I want to see, they've got a few other ones. This is the Infograph, is my favorite. I was using it on my previous watch as well, so let's just go ahead with that, select it, and that's the one that I usually use. But yeah, that's basically the watch for you guys. Alright, so coming to the point where why I chose the Series 7 over the Series 8 when the 8 is already out in 2022. Let's begin to talk about that, and let's talk real facts. Number one, unfortunately the Series 8 did not quite bring any new improvements or updates over the Series 7. It did bring out a few features, a sensor or two maybe, but I could totally see myself living without those sensors. Does it justify me paying that price hike or that price jump when I could easily buy a Series 7 that does 99% of the same stuff that the Series 8 would? Besides the Series 8 Ultra, the Series 8 Ultra Apple Watch, number one, to begin with, that wasn't really a very attractive watch in my personal opinion. Of course, everybody, looks are subjective, but I didn't quite like the Ultra at all. It was too big, it was too bulky, it looked very, so that wasn't a watch for me. But I always like the sleeker style of the Series 7, the Series 8. Now, talking about pricing, Apple has priced the Series 8 at the same prices as last year. To me, what holds more value is I could easily buy the same device in stainless steel, which I did, as you guys saw. It's got sapphire crystal glass, it's got a stainless steel finish. In my opinion, that looks way better in professional occasions. I wanted one watch that could do everything. That comes to me to business meetings, that comes with me to the gym. So I wanted one device that could look and play the part in every single situation and not have to worry about it. Thinking about it practically, if I did have to go for a Series 8, I would be going in for an aluminium version, which looks like a little toyish on your wrist. Again, my personal opinion, don't get offended or anything like that, it's just not my particular taste. So instead of going for the Series 8 Aluminium, I preferred going for a Series 7 stainless steel, which I could pick up in the same price. So that made more sense to me. It's got the sapphire crystal glass on it, the sapphire crystal display. It looks like a piece of jewelry, to be honest. It looks beautiful in person. Yes, the stainless steel does get scuffed up very easily, but in the aluminium version, I did see a lot of displays getting scuffed up plenty easy. So I would rather have the stainless steel variant as compared to going for an aluminium with just the regular display. Yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, you guys know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share this video with a ton of people. This was just the tiny unboxing for you guys. I will try to follow it up with a proper in-depth video as to how the Series 7 holds up in 2022. I am trying to tweak the setup a little bit more for you guys. And yes, stick around, stay blessed, keep putting in the work. I will catch you guys.